welcome back to the Chef Ricardo cooking program. We are back in the kitchen one more time. First of all, let's get the stove warm, the pot, the frying pan on the stove. What I'm gonna do, I never did this one before, but you know, it's Good Friday. I wanna say I hope everyone remember Good Friday. Good Friday is a lovely time for every Christian and everyone go to church and remember Jesus, you know, that Jesus died for us and raised again. I want to say happy Good Friday. It's a beautiful day and I'm enjoying the day so far. What I want to say to you, I have a slice of a piece of a salmon right here. What I'm going to simply do, I'm going to simply just use my scissors. Be careful when you're using scissors. And just simple cut off, take it out of the bag. I'm just going to simple cut the bag just like this. I'm going to do you a lovely recipe today. Today's recipe, it is salmon. I'm going to do a lovely Escoveitched salmon. Lovely. Well, what I did, I just rest it in that water for the time being until we finish. Beautiful. Then what I'm going to simply do, I'm going to just simply cut a piece of a lemon like this, and I'm going to squeeze inside of the water. I'm going to do a lovely Escoveitched salmon. I know you guys are going to love this one. So what you need to do, just wash off your salmon just like this into some water. Stove is getting ready with the pot. Right here. Beautiful, it's getting hot. So, right over here is the salmon. Beautiful piece of salmon. I know you guys are going to love this one. Look at this. Very nice. What I want to say to you, I have some seasoning. I got a little bit of mixed herbs, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of fish seasoning, and a little bit of all-purpose. I'm going to just simply put a little bit on it just like this. Not too much, because you don't want it to be salt. And a little bit on the bottom just like this also. You don't need to, the reason why I say I only had this salt because of the fish seasoning already have salt, so you don't want to add any salt inside of it. Really nice, man. I love it. So what I'm going to simply do, I'm going to just put a little bit of olive oil inside of the frying pan like this. Put a little bit more heat, medium size heat, not too high and not too low. Simple, I'm just going to fry it off just like this. I'm going to just so I'm just going to simply finish up this piece of a red pepper. Simple. Just like this. Just a little piece of the red pepper. And as I can say, the fish is ready. Looking with that beautiful color. Look at the salmon. Beautiful salmon. I know you guys are going to love this, so I'm going to just turn it over to the other side to see. Wow, look at that. That is just beautiful. So let's put it over back to the other side. I'm just going to fry this for 5 more minutes. Then after we're going to put some veg to saute out. Finish the red pepper. We have a little piece of a yellow pepper. Nice one. Gonna put this also. Then we got a nice piece of a carrot, just half of a carrot. Gonna do this also. And then what we are cutting into some wedges. So right here is that's finished. Got a piece of spring onion. Nice and beautiful. Garlic, really fine. Chopped it fine. That is beautiful. So right here it is also finished. Everything is finished. Beautiful. So you see the finish is finished now. Look at that. Look at the fish. Nice and beautiful. So the salmon is finished. I'm gonna simply take it out of the pot now. I just finished the fish, so what I'm gonna simply do, and I pour out the oil out of this one and a simple just wipe it out. It's a non-stick pot, so you can just simple wipe it out. Put back a little bit more heat. And then right here we're gonna put just a little bit more olive oil, not too much. Then all of those veggies you just cut up a while ago, here it is. We're gonna put it straight inside of it like this. So we're just gonna saute off this roughly about 3 to 4 minutes. Look at this one. This is beautiful and nice. I know you guys are gonna love this recipe. Salmon escovitched. It's beautiful. A little bit of pepper, not too much. And just saute this off for roughly about 3 minutes. We're just gonna put a little bit of sugar, just a little bit. Use your hand, take out a little bit of sugar and just sprinkle on top of it. Just like how I did a while ago. The next thing, get a little piece of lemon and squeeze it, catch the juice inside of a strainer like what I'm doing right here. Beautiful. And then I know you guys are gonna love this one. Really nice and beautiful. I don't want you to do what I'm doing. You can simply use your non-stick spoon or your non-stick pudding spoon and just stir it just like this. This is beautiful. Look at that. Really nice and beautiful. So I want to say this is finished. I'm just gonna simple share it out for you now, guys. So what I'm gonna simple share it out for you guys to see how it look. What I wanna say to you right here, I have some mixed leaf. I'm gonna put it right here like this, on top of it like this. Right over here I have the fish. So what I wanna show you something, guys. Like I did before, I get the piece of a napkin and I rest the fish on it just to get rid of some of the grease. What I'm gonna simply do, I'm just gonna simply take it off of it. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna simply put it on top like this. Simple recipe. So right here we have the mixed leaf. What I'm gonna simply do before I put that right there, I'm just gonna simply put a little bit of the salad on the bottom like this. Nice and beautiful, and we're gonna get that beautiful salmon which we just pan fry. Lovely, put it right there. Then we're gonna get that beautiful seasoning. And we're gonna just simply put it on top just like this. Beautiful escovitched salmon. I want you guys to enjoy this beautiful recipe. Then second, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get a lovely piece of a lemon and put it just on top of it, just to make it look a little bit really nice. So look at this. I want you guys to enjoy the recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel because we have a lot more recipe coming out. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna simply just grate a little bit of lemon around it like this. If you like this recipe, just send to Chef Ricardo. I love this recipe. Beautiful and nice. So as you can see, that is a beautiful escovitched salmon recipe from Chef Ricardo for Good Friday. It's a beautiful recipe and I want you to enjoy the recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel and put your comments below and tell Chef Ricardo what you think about this beautiful recipe. Really nice and beautiful. As you can see, we got some mixed leaves on it at the bottom. We got the salmon. This is just really nice and beautiful. I want you guys to enjoy the recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. If you see anything you like, you can request it and I can look after it for you guys, because Chef Ricardo have a lot of recipe coming out for you. So as you can see, it's looking really good, beautiful and nice. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Have a wonderful Easter and a wonderful Good Friday from Chef Ricardo. Bye.